Hey everyone, if you're getting started with JP Morgan's self-directed investing, linking your bank account is a crucial step. It allows you to seamlessly transfer funds, make investments, and track your finances all in one place. Today, I'll guide you through the process step by step, so you can do this quickly and confidently. First things first, make sure you have your JP Morgan self-directed investing account set up and ready to go. You'll also need your bank account details on hand, like your account number and routing number, to make things smooth. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your JP Morgan online banking portal or mobile app using your username and password. If you're new, double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled for extra security. Once you're in, Step 2. Head over to the Accounts or Transfers section. This is usually found in the main menu. Look for something labeled Link External Account or Add Bank Account. Step 3. Select the option to link a new account. You'll be prompted to choose the type, like a checking or savings account, so pick the one that fits. Step 4. Enter your bank details carefully. This includes your bank's name, account number, and routing number. Take a moment to verify everything to avoid any errors. Step 5. JP Morgan will likely require verification. This could involve micro deposits to your account or answering security questions. Follow the on-screen instructions here. Once that's done, Step 6. Confirm the link. You'll get a confirmation message and your accounts will be connected. That's it. Now you can easily move money in and out for your investments. A quick tip. Always monitor your linked accounts for security and reach out to JP Morgan support if you hit any snags. Thanks for watching, folks. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward investing advice. See you next time.